You must not have thought of the dumplings made by the pastry master. Why is it better than homemade ones? There are 3 main points in mixing. In 10 seconds, Brother Ming will teach you. First, soak the spring onions, ginger, and pepper in warm water for 20 minutes. Second, put cooking oil in the pan. Spring onions, ginger, onions, cilantro, and pepper star anise. Put it in oil and fry on low heat until golden and remove. Add ginger rice to the meat. Add ginger powder, chopped garlic, onion ginger, pepper, and water. Mix it in one direction until it mixes well. Put 1 egg and cooking oil. Mix it well. 3. Stir chopped green onions with sesame oil. Add it to the meat. Add your favorite dish to the filling. This dumpling is not dry. In fact, this is juicy.